Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 6 math. You can find all the lessons on plusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 6 math, and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter simple interest. The lessons we're going to cover today are simple and the chapter we are going to cover today are consumer math. The lessons we have covered today are simple interest, sale prices, finally original price. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Let's just start with the lesson that is simple interest. Spencer has $40 in a savings account that earns 5% interest per year. How much will he have in 1 year? You need to calculate how much he have in 1 year. So the formula for the simple interest is I equals PRT. P is the principal account. R is the let's just start with the test questions. G has $70 in his saving account that earns 5% interest per year. The interest is not compounded. How much interest will he earn in 1 year? So we have going to use the formula that is I equals PRT. That is the formula to calculate the interest. The simple interest. P means the amount that is in the problem. Then we have R equals 5. 5 over 100 is 0.0. T is 1. So that is 3.50. Option number 4 is the correct option. Option number 3 is the correct option. That is $3.50. So Roscoe has $20 in a saving account that earns 5% interest per year. The interest is well compounded. How much will we have in 1 year? Principal amount is $20. The interest rate is 5%. So I equals P or T. P is 20, the interest rate is 0.05, and the time is 1 year. So which is the correct option? Mm, that is $21. You need to calculate the total money, including the $4. It is option number 3 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is sale prices. I'm going to start with test questions so that we can do more practice questions. The original price is $8. That is on 75% off. So you need to calculate 75% of 8. So that is 75 over 100 times 8. Hello, can you hear me? Hello. Okay. Hold on. 75 times 8. That is 600 divided by 100 equals 6. So the original price is 8. So the sale price is original price minus the discounted price. So 8 minus 6 is 2. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is $2. What is the sale price of a robot originally priced $72? Suppose the robot is on 25% off, right? So let's just calculate 25% of 72. Eighteen it is, that is 18. So now the sale price is you have to do the original price is 72 minus the discounted price that is 18. So $54 it is. The correct option is 54. Option number 3 is the correct option. The original price of a flashlight is $2. How much will Jackie pay if she buys it during the sale that is on 50% off? 50% off means exactly the half price, so that would be for $1. Option number 1 is the correct option. Zia wants to buy a glass measuring cup. The original price is $4. What is the sale price? That is on 75% off, right? So 75 over 100 times 4. That is 300 and 300 divided by 100 equals 3. So now you need to calculate the sale price. The sale price is the original price minus the discount. So 4 minus 3 is 1. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 1. Number 1 is the correct option. That is $1. What is the sale price of the water heater originally priced $432? That is on 25% off. So the first thing is you need to calculate 25% of the original value. So that is 432 times 25 over 100. So let's just multiply. 432 times 25. That is 10,800. So $108 it is, right? Now the original price is 432 minus 108 equals, that is $324. The correct option is $324. Option number 3 is the correct option. Fred wants to buy a clarinet. The original price is $494. How much will Fred pay if he buys it during the sale? So 50% off means that is exactly the half price, right? So the half price of 494 equals, Option number one is the correct option. It would be $247. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself. Today, let me just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is scale prices. Find the original price. This wants to buy a chocolate. The price is $21. What was the original price? That is on 75% off. The sale price is 21. We got it for 21. You need to calculate your original price, right? You are given the sale price. How do you calculate the original price? Like if you do 75 over 100 times the missing number, the answer is 21. Let's just calculate x, right? That is x equals 21 times 100 over 75. So 2100 divided by 75, that is $28. So that means the original price is $28. If that is not the original price, then how do we? Okay, 100 minus the percentage of 25%, wait, 25%. Oh, got it. So basically, you paid 75%, right? You have 100 minus 75 equals 25. You have 25% is 21. So just calculate 25% of 21. So that is 21 times 25. That equals 84. I did something wrong. Basically, roughly 25% times P equals 21. Basically, you have to calculate 25% of x equals 21. So x equals 21 over 25%. So 21 over 27, 25 divided by 25% equals 84. So the correct option is $84. Okay, let's just move on to next number, next question. The sale price of a sweet pot is $45. What was the original price? So that was on 25% sale, right? So 100 minus 25% equals 75%. That means you still paid 75%, right? So 75% of some number equals 45. So x equals 45 over 75%. That is 60. So that means the original price is 3 is the correct option. That is 60%. $60. The original price is $60. During the sale, Cooper pays $26 for wooden toy chest. What was the original price? Or 50% off means that is only half price. So the full price will be 52 is the correct option. Option number one is the correct option. During the sale, Maggie pays $17 for a toy rocket. What is the original price? So 20 that was at 75% off, and after the 75% off, the price is $17. So that means 100 minus 75 equals 25%. That means you paid just 25%. So 25% times x equals 17. So x equals 17 divided by 25%. So just do calculation. That is $68. So that means the original price is $68. Got it? So that means the original price is $68. If a crystal structure had a sale price of $43, what was the original price? So that is on 50% off. So the original price is then. So you paid 50%, so that means the 50% means the half price. So the original price is $86. The sale price of a cell phone is $42. What was the original price? So you paid 25%, right? So 100 minus 25% equals 75%. So 42 is 75%. 75% times x equals 42. So x equals 42 over 0.75. That is $56. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is $56. This is it, sorry. Oh, 96. Okay, perfect. What was the original price of a lawn ornament whose sale price is $18? So 100 minus 25 means we paid 75%. So 75% times x equals 18. So x equals 18 divided by 0.75. That is $24. That means originally that was for $24. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself today. So we were working on grade 6 math. The chapter we were working on is consumer math. The lessons we have covered today are unit prices with customer unit conversions. Now we have started with simple interest. Then we did sale prices, and sale prices find the original price. So please make sure before the next session you complete all the practice questions for the lesson you just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lessons, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you. Or either you can write down the question in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.